Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download and install WinRAR on your Windows computer. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to leave a like. Let's dive right in. WinRAR offers a 40-day free trial, after which you'll need to purchase a license. However, even after the trial period, you can still use it for basic tasks without any issues. To start, open any web browser you prefer. I'm using Google Chrome, but any browser will work just fine. Head to a search engine and type in WinRAR. Be sure to click on the official website, which is win-rar.com. Once you're on the official site, look for the Download WinRAR button on the right-hand side and click it. This will take you to the download page. From there, click on the download button for the trial version, and the file should begin downloading automatically. After the download finishes, locate the installer. You can usually find it in your browser's Downloads section or in the Downloads folder of your File Explorer. Double-click the file to start the installation process. When prompted by Windows Security, click Yes to allow the installer to run. The installation window will appear, letting you know this is a trial version valid for 40 days. Click Install to proceed. Next, you'll see the setup options. Here, you can choose which file types you want to associate with WinRAR. I recommend unchecking the jar file type. Otherwise, jar files might open with WinRAR instead of the correct program. Adjust any other settings as needed, then click OK to complete the setup. Finally, click Done to exit the installer. To confirm everything is working correctly, right-click on any folder or file. In the menu, you should see options for WinRAR, such as compressing to a RAR file or extracting files. That's it! WinRAR is now installed and ready to use. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech guides, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.